Hey everyone, I'm Sky, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. Today, I'm fired up to talk about the Instant Pot Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven, a kitchen all-star that's ready to make cooking a breeze. If you're after an appliance that does it all, from crispy fries to juicy roasts, stick around. Let's dive into the features. The Instant Pot Omni is a 10-in-1 champ with air fry, bake, broil, roast, toast, dehydrate, reheat, warm, convection, and rotisserie modes. Its 18-liter capacity handles a 12-inch pizza or a 4 to 6-pound chicken on the rotisserie spit. EvenCrisp technology gives you crispy results with up to 95% less oil, perfect for healthier meals. It comes with a baking tray, oven rack, air fry basket, and rotisserie kit, all dishwasher safe. The digital touchscreen with one-touch presets makes cooking simple, and golden quartz heating elements ensure fast, even heat. Plus, the Instant Pot app offers tons of recipe ideas, now pros and cons. The pros are awesome. The 10 cooking modes make it super versatile, saving space and time. It heats up fast, uses less energy than a big oven, and the family-sized capacity is great for gatherings. The touchscreen is easy to use, and cleanup is a snap. On the con side, it's bulky, so you'll need counter space. The toast function can be uneven, sometimes needing extra cycles. It also runs a bit hot, so you might need to adjust cooking times, and the fan can be noisy. Who's this for? If you're a busy home cook, love healthier recipes, or want one appliance to replace your toaster and oven, the Instant Pot Omni is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for families or anyone craving versatility without kitchen clutter. Ready to cook like a pro? Click the link in the description to grab the Instant Pot Omni Air Fryer Toaster Oven at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing you don't want to miss. If this review helped, please like, share, and subscribe for MO.